Welcome back to Stony Point Forge. This is probably one of the most expensive knife sharpeners I've built so far. I finally finished it up. This one features my knife sharpening gauge or guide. I've got storage places for everything. When this is not in use, you can store it right here. Now this is a little bit better than most. I can run this with a hand dial or a foot pedal. You just need to unplug this from the control box. This will run in reverse. Or you can change it over to forward. Or vice versa. You can also remove this 2-inch platen and replace it with a 1-inch platen. And you can run your 1-inch belts. I've got leather belts for it. Or you can buy Scotch-Brite belts for it. It runs those also. This grinder will be put on Marketplace. It's going to be a $1,200 grinder. Thank you.